Okay, with this piece of paper here labeled constructing and naming angles, just go an idea. We're going to stay a compass and a protractor. Compass, protractor. All right, the left side of the top half of the paper, I want you to go down here to the crease right above it. About right here, that far apart. Draw me a segment from 2 to 4, just like this. Okay, and go ahead and place a point P and Q, the end. Next, get your compass. All right, so the pointy part here will be the rotation. It'll be where we are naming the angle, finding the degree for that angle. The pencil is for the arc. All right, go ahead and open up the compass. So the two ends match up with the P and Q. All right, my right hand, I'm going to place the point of the compass at Q. Now, you'll want to apply pressure here, and a lot of times this point will slip. So if you'll just kind of hold, maybe put some pressure with your other finger, and keeping pressure here, and then go ahead and tilt it over so that the pencil is at P, and at the same time applying pressure to the pencil part so that you can get this arc, and you'll feel that. Keep your finger on this point here to help maintain control here. Keep pressure there so it doesn't move, and get you an arc about that much. You'll get the hang of how far you need to go for a 60 degree. All right, so at this point, if you are right-handed like me and want to stick with your right hand, go ahead and turn the paper now so that you place the point at P, hold it with your finger, and mark an arc. Now you can see it's the same length. All I'm doing, I could create that arc all the way up, but all I need is this arc intersecting with the first arc to get me this point right here. All right, turn this back around and pick up your pencil, make a point there, and let's label this R. Now get your protractor, and what I want you to do is place the pencil at point Q, push up against it push the protractor up against your pencil, and then line up the R. All right, now what we're going to do here is go ahead and draw in this ray. All right, so the ray goes all the way through. We have a ray QR, and let's go ahead and extend out the PQ. Let's make a ray out of that. So place your pencil at Q, line that up, go ahead and extend out that to create this ray. Now anytime you do this, you create a 60 degree angle. Go ahead and place get your protractor, and I want you to notice this hole in the center here. Okay, all right, so this hole here goes right on top of this point Q. This is the point we're going to measure. We're going to measure this angle, so we want that at that point. All right, so you see when I place this right on top of that point here, I've got this horizontal line, this little thin line going this way, and these vertical lines coming down. You want to line both the horizontal and the vertical straight up with that point there. Okay, and then as you can see over here for extending this line, it helped me to line up this little edge here. So if you can see, this part is what you want to set on top of that ray. And then make sure you get that set up like this, and we need to start getting familiar with this is an acute angle. You know it's an acute angle because it's less than 90. Here's my 90 right here. It's less than 90. So I am that 0 way over here, and then 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. This is a 60-degree angle. Let's go ahead and put 60 degrees. 60-degree angle. All right. Now I'm going to say construct a 60-degree angle. That's what we just did, construct a 60-degree angle. Name the angle. This is the geometric symbol right here for angle. All right, so the three letters P, Q, R. Q has to be between these two. P, Q, R. It gives direction. All right, if you're seeing, okay, angle PQR, you're going to the angle and then back up, and it's directing the reader to focus your attention here. Okay, so this arc, generally we'll put this arc closer to the vertex. PQR. Another name could be RQP. So I would say, okay, angle RQP. Now the thing I want you to get comfortable with is when you only have one angle like this, we could name it Q. There's no misunderstanding as to what angle I'm talking about. You'll understand as we build more angles. So this could also be referenced as angle Q. With is when you only have one angle like this, we could name it Q. There's no misunderstanding as to what angle I'm talking about. You'll understand as we build more angles. So this could also be referenced as angle Q. I could also have put in a number such as a 1, not a degree, but I could have put, okay, angle 1. I could say angle 1. All right. Get comfortable with seeing numbered, naming the angles with numbers and not the degree symbol. You want to see the degree symbol if it's actually given the measurement here, but this is just naming the angle. Okay, now let's go ahead and identify a few things here. Okay, let's put that right here. Ray QR always starts at the beginning, goes through the point. Now the symbol for ray is a symbol that starts off with a segment and then ends up with an arrowhead and then with QR underneath it. So ray QR, or the symbol ray QR, is this side, okay, of the angle. This side here would be ray. Notice this arrow symbol is pointing to the right. We always point to the right, but we give the reader, we're telling that this is a ray QP, but it goes to the left here, okay, because we're telling the reader it starts here and goes through P. So this is a ray, this side is ray QP. All right, this